Good morning, everyone. In this episode, we are going to discuss differentiation of logarithmic functions. Some more problems also we are going to discuss. Last class, I have given some homework. Let us discuss those questions. These are all the homework questions I have given. Second question, root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. We have to consider first y is equal to root of that function, and that function can be written as the whole to the power 1 by 2 as we have discussed last episode. Taking logarithm on both sides, that means log y is equal to log of that function the whole to the power 1 by 2. That means log a to the power b can be written as b log a. So b, in place of b I have 1 by 2, in place of a I have that function. Inside the root what I have, that function I have. So now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y divided by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into logarithm of that functions. Listen here carefully. Numerator you have log of a into b. Log of a into b can be written as log a plus log b. If I am differentiating log x minus 1, log x minus 2, you will get 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2. Then after minus, because divided by is there, so log of a by b is nothing but log a minus log b. So minus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 5. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into y into inside the bracket previous terms. So 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 5. Compulsory, you have to replace that y in terms of x what we have considered as equation number 1. Is it clear? Now, sixth question I gave homework, that is sin x to the power x. Let us, same concept, let us consider y is equal to sin x to the power x, which is equation number 1, taking log on both sides. So, log y is equal to x log sin x, log a to the power b, that means log of sin x to the power x. So, in place of a I have sin x, in place of b I have x. So, b log a, b that means x into log sin x, b log a. Now differentiating with respect to x, so 1 by y divided by dx is equal to product rule we are going to substitute over there. We are going to differentiate with respect to product rule. So first function into second function order derivative plus second function into first function order derivative. So x into 1 by sin, because derivative of log x is 1 by x, in place of x I have sin x, so derivative of again sin x is cos x plus log of sin x into derivative of x is 1. Provided you should know the previous topics, then only you will understand this problems. dy by dx is equal to y into x into y into inside the bracket x into cot x. How? Cos x by sin x is nothing but cot x. Yes or no? Cos by sin, cot plus log of sin x. You have to replace that y, which is equation number 1, sin x to the power x. Is it clear? Product rule we have used over there. Okay. So, 8th question, log x to the power log x. It's very important question. Listen here carefully. Let us consider y is equal to log x to the power log x, which is equation number 1. Different log y is equal to, I am applying log on both sides. So, log y is equal to log of inside the bracket log x to the power log x. Is it clear to everyone? Log y is equal to log of log x to the power log x. Now, log y is nothing but log y is equal to log of a to the power b. In place of a I have log x, in place of b also I have what? Log x. So, b log a means log x into log of log x. Look at carefully, log x into log of log x. Yes or no? Log of log x, the whole to the power log x can be written as log x into log of log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to product rule. That's what I wrote, P rule, product rule. Log x into derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. In place of x I have log x. So 1 by log x into derivative of log x is nothing but 1 by x. If you know the chain rule, then only you will understand this topic. Okay? Log x into 1 by log x into 1 by x plus log of log x into derivative of first function is nothing but log x. See here, first function is log x, second function is log of log x. First function is log x, second function is log of log x. Is it clear? Now according to that you differentiate and check what I have written is correct or not. You will get. Okay. Now the last question is x to the power cos inverse x. Is it visible? Yes. X to the power cos inverse x. Let y is equal to x to the power cos inverse x, which is equation number 1. Log y is applying log on both sides. Log y is equal to cos inverse x log x. Differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos inverse x into 1 by x plus log x into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, because derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos inverse x divided by x minus 1 is there. So minus into plus is minus, that's why minus log x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Is it clear? That minus, how come? Plus into minus is minus. That minus 1. So I am multiplying with that plus and with respect to that minus 1. So that's why minus. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into cos inverse x divided by x minus log x divided by root of 1 minus x square. You have to replace that y is equal to x into cos inverse x. Is it clear to everyone? I hope you have understood the homework question. Just go through the results, what you have written. Make sure that you know all the formulas, then only you have to start doing the differentiation problems. Let us move on to this episode. Okay. These are all the 7 questions we are going to discuss in this episode. X to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Second question is very important, log x to the power x plus x to the power log x, how to differentiate. Third question is also important, x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. xy is equal to e power x minus y, find dy by dx. That's what differentiate with respect to x. Now, fifth question, if x power y is equal to a power x, then prove that y dash, that is nothing but dy by dx, is equal to x log a minus y divided by x log x. Y dash or y1 or dy by dx. That means, if you want to write dy by dx, you can write y1 or y dash as well. Now, sixth question, if y power x is equal to x power y, find dy by dx. And the last question, if x power y plus y power x is equal to 1, then find dy by dx. Let us solve the problems. Okay. We'll discuss first question, x power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. We have to differentiate with respect to x. First I am going to consider y is equal to x power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Okay, listen. I have considered y is equal to x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Yes or no? For that, first I am going to write y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to x x power sin x and v is equal to sin x to the power cos x. Yes or no? Sin x to the power cos x. So y is equal to u plus v, that is x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Each term I have to substitute logarithmic differentiation. Yes or no? Go through this. So I have considered y is equal to u plus v. Now I have to differentiate u in terms of logarithmic differentiation and v also in terms of logarithmic differentiation. Right. So u is equal to x to the power sin x. Now taking log on both sides. So log u is equal to log of x to the power sin x. Yes or no? Log of x to the power sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Before that you have to write according to the properties of logarithm. Log a to the power b is nothing but b log a. So similarly sin x into log x. Yes or no? Sin x into log x. Now you have to differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to product rule. Yes or no? P rule, product rule. First function into second function of a derivative plus second function into first function of a derivative. Yes or no? Now, therefore, du by dx is equal to u into sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x. What is u? What is u? Sin x to the power sin x. Yes or no? So you have to replace this u, which is equation number star 1. Equation number star 1. So you have to replace this equation number star 1 with respect to x. Yes or no? Now similarly you have to do for v as well. So v is equal to sin x to the power cos x, taking log on both sides. So log v is equal to log of sin x to the power cos x. Yes or no? Now, according to the properties of logarithm, you have to do. That is, log v is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Yes or no? Log of sin x. Now you have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, that is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, again here product rule. Again here product rule. Yes or no? So first function into second function of a derivative. Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. In place of x I have sin x and again I have to differentiate with respect to sin x. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Yes or no? Plus second function into first function of a derivative. Derivative of cos is what? Minus sin x. Is it clear to everyone? Now 1 by v dv by dx. Therefore dv by dx is equal to v into, listen here, cos x by sin x is what? Or this cos, anything. Cos x by sin x is what? Cos by sin is what? Cot x. So can I write cos x into cot x plus? Again, plus into minus is what? Minus. So this plus will change as minus log of sin x into sin x. Don't write sin square x. This is in terms of logarithm. So you cannot multiply this sign and this side. Don't write sin square x. So log of sin x into sin x, which is the required answer. So in place of v, you have to replace star 2 equation. In place of v, you have to replace what? Star 2 equation. It is not completed. It is not completed. You have to find out dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. So listen here carefully. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Yes or no? So what is du by dx? Already you have find out. What is dv by dx? Just now you have find out. So those two ones, that is, which is equation number capital A, which is equation number capital B. So capital A plus capital B. Write capital A plus and write capital B. That is nothing but the required answer for the function y is equal to x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Is it clear? These type of problem we can expect very important in logarithmic differentiation part. Is it clear to everyone? Go through this, very easy. Go through this. Okay. Second question, homework, that is log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. Similar to first question, just try this question, try that question, second question, we will discuss next episode, okay. So third question, x to the power x minus 2 power sin x, that we will discuss now. X to the power x minus 2 power sin x. So first you have to consider, let us consider y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 power sin x. This or no? 2 power sin x. Listen here. First here again you have to write y is equal to u minus v. Here u minus v, minus is there, that's why minus. So u is equal to x to the power x, taking log on both sides. So log u is equal to log of x to the power x. So that is log u is equal to x into log x. X into log x. How? Properties of logarithm. X into log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to first function into second function of the derivative plus second function into first function of the derivative, that is 1. X of the derivative 1. Now that is du by dx is equal to u into x will be cancelled 1 plus log x. Yes or no? You have to replace this u, which is equation number star 1. So you have to replace that star 1, x to the power x. Okay, you have to replace, don't forget. So that is nothing but du by dx. Now what is v? V is equal to, what is v? 2 power sin x. Listen here carefully. 2 power sin x. Now you have to write taking log on both sides. So log v is equal to log of 2 power sin x. Log of 2 power sin x. That is sin x into log 2. Sin x into log 2. That is log v is equal to sin x into log 2. Now you have to do what? Differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by v dv by dx is equal to first function into second function of a derivative. Log x, derivative is nothing but 1 by x. Log y, 1 by y. Log p, 1 by p. Here we have log 2, that is nothing but a constant or not. So derivative of constant is 0. So I can write sin x into 0 plus second function into first function of the derivative. So first function here sin x, derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x. So log 2 into cos x. So dv by dx is equal to v into this term entirely will become 0. Sin x into 0 will be 0 only. So log 2 cos x. You have to replace that v is nothing but what? 2 power sin x. 2 power sin x into log 2 cos x is the dy by dx. Yes or no? Dv by dx. Now what is dy by dx? I have already told. Therefore dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. That is du by dx you have, dv by dx you have. Substitute as it is, that is the required answer. Is it clear to everyone? Let's go through this very important problem, this type of problem. Fourth question, find dy by dx. xy is equal to e power x minus y. X into y is equal to e power x minus y. Find dy by dx. Listen. So which is left hand side x into y. That means you have product. X into y is equal to e power x minus y. These type of problems no need to take logarithm. directly you can differentiate with respect to product rule. Listen here. So, according to product rule, by product rule on LHS, on left hand side, listen here carefully. So, first function into second function order derivative, that means dy by dx, plus second function into first function order derivative, x order derivative 1 is equal to derivative of e power x is what? E power x. Derivative of e power x is what? E power x. Similarly, derivative of e power x minus y is nothing but e power x minus y into derivative of x minus y or not. In place of x, I have x minus y. So that I have to differentiate again x minus y with respect to x. This all that's proper way. So that is e power x minus y into derivative of x is what? 1 minus derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx. Yes or no? That is nothing but 1 minus dy by dx. So e power x minus y into 1 minus dy by dx. So x into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x minus y into y minus dy by dx. So I am going to expand this bracket. That means I am going to remove this bracket. Listen here carefully. X into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x minus y minus e power x minus y into dy by dx. Yes or no? So far I have removed the bracket. Yes or no? So I am going to write dy by dx terms one side, remaining terms other side. So x into dy by dx minus this side. So this will become plus e power x minus y into dy by dx. Yes or no? Is equal to e power x minus y minus y. Yes or no? So from this, if I am taking dy by dx out, common outside, you will get x plus e power x minus y is equal to e power x minus y minus y. Yes or no? I am taking dy by dx common, so x plus e power x minus y is equal to e power x minus y minus y. Is it clear? Now, we know that e power x minus y is equal to xy, already given in the question. We know that e power x minus y is equal to xy, already given in the question. So that dy by dx into x plus xy, in place of this I am going to substitute our question. Xy is equal to xy minus y. Yes or no? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to xy minus y divided by x plus xy. X plus xy. This implies that dy by dx is equal to numerator I can take y outside, that is x minus 1. Denominator I have x, I can take outside, that is 1 plus y. So required very important problem, xy is equal to e power x minus 1. Is it clear to everyone? Very easy. According to product rule, I am going to do on LHS and by formula for RHS. By formula for RHS. RHS part, as per I know the formula, e power x is derivative of e power x is e power x. Is it clear to everyone? Very important problem. Go through this. Okay, fifth question. If x power y is equal to a power x, then prove that y dash or y1 or dy by dx is equal to x into log a minus y divided by x log x. We have to prove. Listen here carefully. If x power y is equal to a power x, we have to prove that y dash is equal to some functions in terms of x as well as in terms of logarithm. So these type of functions, x power y, a power x. So power terms are there. So you have to take logarithm. Previous question, x y is equal to e power x minus y. Left hand side it is not power. It is of the form product. That's why we have used the product rule. So here both the left hand side and right hand side you have to the power terms, so that I have to use over here logarithmic differentiation. Is it clear? So taking log on both sides, so log x power y is equal to log a power x according to the properties of logarithm. Y into log x is equal to x into log a, x into log a. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So, what is first function into second function order derivative plus second function into first function order derivative. This one. So again, y into derivative of first function is 1 by x plus second function into first function order derivative dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to first function into log a, where a is something but a constant. So x into derivative of log, that means log a is a constant, that's why derivative of a constant is nothing but 0. So x into 0 plus log a into 1. Log a into 1. Is it clear? Log a into 1. So y by x plus log x into dy by dx is equal to, this entire term is 0, is equal to log a. Is it clear to everyone? So this entire term will be 0. Log a into 1 is log a. Log a into 1 is log a. So y by x plus log x into dy by dx is equal to log a. dy by dx term I am keeping one side. So log x into dy by dx is equal to y by x, this side will go minus. So first I am going to write the right hand side out, minus y by x. dy by dx I am keeping one side. Remainder I am taking other side. So this plus y by x, next side minus y by x. Simple. So from this dy by dx is equal to log a minus y by x divided by log x. Divided by log x. So we are nearing to the proof. We are nearing to the proof. We have reached one more step we have to do. That means so 90% we have completed the proof. 10% is there, present here. Log a minus y by x is there or not? So y dash or y1 is equal to this y by x. I can take a LCM. So x into log a minus y divided by x, the whole thing divided by log x. Log x. Can I write like this one? So that is log x by 1. A by 1, B by 1, C by 1, 5 by 1, 4 by 1, everything same only. So log x by 1. So y dash is equal to x into log a minus y divided by x into 1 by log x. Yes or no? 1 by log x. You have got the result. Y dash is equal to x into log a minus y divided by x into log x. Is it clear? Y dash is equal to x into log a minus y divided by x log x. You have to write, because prove that you have to write, hence prove. The sentence is very much important, hence proved. Okay? Just go through this. Taking LCM over here, that's what. Taking LCM. You are not understanding, suddenly write over. Taking LCM. Okay? Here taking reciprocal, that you may know. Taking reciprocal. Is it clear to everyone? Very, very important problem this way. X power y is equal to a power x. Okay? Sixth question. If y power x is equal to x power y, find dy by dx. That question is homework. We will discuss in next class, next episode. Before that, you should understand the fifth question. Okay? So, we will move on to the seventh question. Last question. That is, if x power y plus y power x is equal to 1, find dy by dx. X power y plus y power x is equal to 1, find dy by dx. Listen here. 60 question, y power x is equal to x power y, find dy by dx. Seventh question, x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. Find dy by dx. Here you have to take logarithm because power terms are there. Okay, u plus v format. So that is g2. Given that x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. So taking log on both sides, I am not taking u and v. Take directly I am going to differentiate with respect to logarithmic. So taking log on both sides, taking log on left hand side only. So log x power y plus log of y power x is equal to 1. Taking log. You can take log 1 as well. Taking log on both sides. Because constant derivative terms 0 only. So log 1 you can taking log on both sides. Now you can write y log x plus x log y is equal to log 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, because after expanding the properties of logarithm you have to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, that is first function into second function of the derivative plus second function into first function of the derivative dy by dx plus, yes or no, this is first function. Now this plus is plus. So x into second function of the derivative. So log y, derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into 1 is equal to derivative of log 1 is 0. Is it clear? Now that is y by x plus log x into dy by dx plus x by y dy by dx plus log is equal to 0. So now x dy by dx term I am keeping one side. So log, listen here carefully, log x dy by dx plus x by y dy by dx is equal to minus y by x minus log y. So no, minus y by x minus log y. Remaining these two terms I am keeping left hand side as it is. Left hand side is equal to minus y. So from this left hand side dy by dx, if I am taking outside, log x plus x by y is equal to minus of y by x minus log y. Yes or no? From that dy by dx is equal to, so therefore dy by dx is equal to minus y by x minus log y divided by log x plus x by y. No need to take LCM. They are asking to find dy by dx. So you can keep it as it is. If they want to prove, you have to take LCM like what we have discussed in the fifth question. Okay. Since they are asking dy by dx, you can stop over here. So minus y by x minus log y divided by log x plus x by y. Is it clear to everyone? Just go through this. Okay, so far we have discussed 7 problems in this episode. I suggest to practice the problems, then only you will understand the real concept of differentiation as well the types of differentiation what we have discussed. Next episode we will discuss parametric differentiation. In order to better understand this episode, I suggest to visit all the previous episodes of differentiation. If anyone did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button. We'll see the next episode. Thank you.